Okay, so I've ordered myself a keyboard from RII, which is RII. I have previously been using this small keyboard as a wireless remote, and this has been proved very well. I've used it for a number of years and it's done very well for me. It's got a mouse pad, but we're actually looking at a gaming keyboard here. So there's a few things we want to look at. It's 7-color backlit and it comes packaged as such. I want to show you exactly as it comes to me. I will plug it in and you can actually see it as well. So let's take this out and see what it looks like. Okay, so here we go. That's the box. Nothing else in there. You've got the box and it's nothing fancy on the box. It comes packaged in a plastic seal, and let's remove that. Oh, okay. I do like how it appears. So I've got a nice little rest here for my palms, as well as a phone holder here, so you can actually put your phone just there, which you can probably just about see like that. So if you're actually keeping a live stream and viewing that seems to be quite a nice little option there. So you see that there. And if you're actually doing gaming on your mobile phone, you could probably even plug in your mobile phone while you're playing on this keyboard. It is a USB keyboard. And what does it look like when we plug it in? Well, you will find out right now, because I will plug it in for you. And what have we got? We've got the standard keys. We've got a few hotkeys there. I like the colors of it. I want to see how the RGB looks though. So we're going to have a look at that right now when I get this out and plug it in. Oh, beautiful. That looks very trendy, doesn't it? Okay, let me play a quick game and see what it looks like. I'll share the screen and play a game. Okay, so I've just loaded up a quick game here just to let you know how it feels in a game scenario. So let's go resume game. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, I've flipped screens there by mistake. Let me bring it back to my screen. Need to get a headshot. Okay, so actually, you know what? That feels quite nice and intuitive. It's very responsive. Boom, took him down. So yeah, that was a quick look at that keyboard for you, and those lights alone look very promising, and that extra addition of putting your mobile phone just there, yep, that's a nice little addition there, so keep an eye on that.